everyone, my name is SnowDust HD, and today we are doing a epic silly review unboxing. I hope you guys are excited. I haven't done a little silly review in so long, like maybe almost like a year now, but this is not a movie review. No, not a silly movie review. Nope. I said that already. No. It's a silly unboxing. All right. Today we are going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. All right, guys. So I got this down an alleyway. Some homeless man came up to me and was like, "Yo, you want a Nintendo? You want a Sega Genesis?" And then I was like, "Sega Genesis? Hell yeah!" And he gave me a Nintendo Switch. I was like, "What the fuck is this shit? What is this? It says Nintendo Switch. This is not a Sega Genesis." This is the back. It's kind of like me. Yeah, look at me. It's a cool back. Like, look, I'm lifting up the Wii controllers. I'm gonna play some Wii. Ha 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 ha! Playing some Wii. Nintendo. All right, I can't wait to unbox this. Like, it's freaking epic. All right. Whew. Okay. Alright, so we got the console itself, the microwave. Woo! Look at that! Alright, now we got the Wii controllers. They call them Joy-Cons. These are Wii controllers! What the fuck are you talking about? Wii controllers, this is not a Joy-Con. Whatever, this is stupid. Another Wii controller Joy-Con. Ah, there's two of them. Whoa, that one's flashing. Let's look at this for a second. Alright, so this is like the little tablet thingy. Pretty cool. It kind of looks like a face. Like, look, there's like a charger ports in the mouth, and a little thingies for the dock is like a eyeballs, and he's like, "Hey, I'm so happy!" Ha! It's so funny. This is the rest. Nintendo Switch manual. I don't need a stupid manual. Who reads manuals anyways? All right, so we got the hell is this? Ah! Shit! Okay, I think these are the... Oh, yes! That's how you put them on. Okay. Alright, so this is the controller. I mean, it's very comfortable. I mean, there's a lot of people that's online that are saying like, "Oh yeah, these little hand thingies for the controllers are garbage. They're terrible." I mean, I think these are cool. All right, wrong way. There we go. There. Hold on. There we go. I mean, yeah, I think these are very comfortable. I mean, very comfortable. Next thing. Oh, I think these are for the Wii remotes. All right, now let's carefully put this one on. Wait. I fucking put it on the wrong way! What the f? I like... one sec. People have so many problems with this, and they try to put them on the wrong... Oh, sh**. It's about time I... Anyways, we got some cables. No one cares about cables. Yeah, no one cares about cables. Ah, look at that. It's freaking epic. Whoa, cables. Whoa, we got a second Nintendo Switch. Oh, okay, this is epic. Hold on. What the? Oh, it's the dock. Yeah, you put a little console in and like, yeah. Well, I unboxed everything that's in the box. Time to get rid of this. Whoa, look at the magic trick I did. All right, anyways, we got another a thing to unbox. Extreme. Sonic Man 49 Extreme for the Game Boy Advance. All right, so yeah, this is kind of cool. There's our boy Juice Ooze, and there's his loving princess wife Gormorb, and there's his other friend Randall. All right, so rated D for D's nuts. Ha, God. All right, let's do this unboxing. Okay, that was quick. Okay, so I'm gonna eat it. Oh, fuck it, gee, ew. Okay, they're actually nasty. Oh my god. Oh, actually, don't lick them. Nintendo, you guys are nasty with your products. Ugh. Okay. Why do the Nintendo Switch cartridges taste like a dookie? Whatever. What? I don't care anymore. I don't care. I'm gonna ooze. Fuck. Okay. All right, guys. Let's have the satisfying feeling of putting these Joy-Cons on the Switch. Oh my god, okay. Alright. Oh. Satisfying. Oh, there we go. You know what? I'm actually kind of liking this. I love the Nintendo Switch. Screw the Sega Genesis that the old man, homeless man down the alleyway told me that he was going to give me. This is freaking amazing. I am so excited to play this game. Oh, if they win, I'm going to eat hair. Okay, no. Okay, well, I'm done. This fucking game is stupid. Alright, no. Alright, time to put this back in. How about you stop? You stop! Can I have Mario? Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this epic unboxing of the Nintendo 64. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.